Welcome to the Limpopo Information Directory. Limpopo is one of South Africa's most northern provinces, with some fantastic game reserves and nature reserves within its borders. Its landscape, made up mostly of grasslands and bushvelds, Limpopo has much to offer its visitors, including some of SA's most luxurious hotels and lodges. We have over 350 online marketing directories across South Africa, targeting provinces, towns, regions and routes. Listing your business on these directories is just a click away. The cost to subscribe covers a 12-month membership with no hidden costs or monthly subscriptions. Your business will be listed on up to 10 different marketing directories. A listing includes a direct link to your website, email addresses and social media, as well as a location map and up to 20 photos of your business, including your logo. Your listing is totally personalized to reflect your brand and business. Follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel for exciting travel information on South Africa. Contact us for more information.